Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Charnelle. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need beans, ground beef or whatever meat you want, garlic, red pepper flakes if you eat pepper, diced tomatoes 1 can, tomato paste 1 can, whipping cream, onion, bell peppers. I'm going to use half of each, so 1 bell pepper in total, ground cumin, smoked paprika, chili, oregano, cilantro, parsley, salt. I have here Italian style cheese and Mexican style cheese, cooking oil, don't want to forget that, and my little secret is going to be some chocolate. So our meat is ready. Pour into our slow cooker beans. Pour that in. I like a lot of beans, so you can put less beans if you want to. Diced tomato, tomato paste, whipping cream, I'm gonna put about half of this, red pepper flakes, cumin powder, chili, parsley. I love parsley, so I'm just gonna put like a lot. I love parsley in anything. Paprika, 1 teaspoon, cilantro, oregano, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, salt to taste, bell peppers, about 1 cup of water. Since I'm going to be sleeping and I won't wake up to come and check on this, I'm going to drop my chocolate now, my pieces of chocolate, and I'm going to let it cook for 10 hours and we'll check on this tomorrow. Low temperature for 10 hours.